Okay, hi. Great. Hi, it's me, Kirby and Andy. We're going to make another tiki drink today. Of course, I've been bartending for a very long time and wearing Hawaiian shirts for a long time as well. I've also been going to bars for a while. And one of my favorites is Lost Lake in Chicago. And so today we're actually going to make their signature cocktail, the Lost Lake. It's in the Logan Square neighborhood, and it's a smaller, cozier tiki bar. Has a really nice kind of neighborhood bar kind of feel, but definitely just as much of an escape, heavy on the bamboo, just all around great environment. It's also been nominated for James Beard Awards on the 50 best bars in the world list. If you ever get the chance, check it out. I also really like this cocktail. Again, it's our first week doing tiki, so let's keep it simple. And I like this because it has a lot of my favorite things in it. So right here, we're going to do this one in a tiki mug. I'm going to set it to the side for right this second. And we're just going to use Appleton as our rum. Just 2 ounces of our base spirit. Very straightforward. You could use any Jamaican rum. I thought about using Smith & Cross. It's a little much. I would say if you are going to use something like Smith & Cross, then I would dial it back to like 1 3/4 ounces, just so it doesn't overpower the rest of the flavors. I believe they use plantation, but I'm not sure. And then we are also going to do 3/4 ounce of lime juice. They also, at Lost Lake, use fresh pineapple juice, which, you know, I'm not going to use. So, rather than follow their exact recipe, they use pineapple juice and passion fruit syrup. We are going to use 3/4 ounce of our pineapple gum syrup. And we are going to do 3/4 ounce of passion fruit nectar, which I just got this at the grocery store. It is sweetened, but it's not quite as sweet as like a cranberry juice cocktail or anything like that. But this is actually pretty easy to find just about anywhere. And then the really fun part, Luxardo Maraschino, 1/4 ounce of that. We'll do 1/4 ounce of Campari. So adding a little bitterness and dryness with the 2 of those, along with our sweet fruit juices. And then if you have the means to flash blend this at home, go right ahead. I, however, am going to shake and strain over crushed ice. Don't want to go crazy shaking it because of the crushed ice. That's going to dilute it. We just want to shake it enough to mix everything. And obviously we can do a single strain here. Really cool color. Super fruity and tropical. Let's tiki it up a bit. Throw a palm tree stir. There's maraschino in it. Heck, let's put some cherries in. Throw a little pineapple pick. Throw a lime wheel on it. And a blue umbrella will go really nicely with that sort of peachy passion fruit color of the cocktail. And a straw. There you have it, Lost Lake. Oh my goodness. I am transported to the beach of Chicago. So fruity, but not like sweet and fruity. Just fruit. Refreshing. I could drink this all the time, but I won't. Thanks so much for tuning in, everybody. Be sure to subscribe, like the video. If you did like the video, turn on the notifications if you want to get the notifications. We're going to be doing tiki all August long. If you're watching this sometime in the future, I don't know, go back and watch some old videos. Thanks, bye.